come right up and hang out with me. Well, they want the bread I gave them too, but look at them. They just hang out with me. Hey, chickens. Such a beautiful day to just sit out here with my chickens. They just gave the rest of the bread to Pink Bacon. Oh, beautiful. Thank you. He said thank you, I guess. Well, today's another beautiful day. I'm probably going to garden some, work in my greenhouse. Another day in life on the micro farm. I love it. But today's my 100th day sober, so gonna make it a good day. Clean up the yard some more and work on the yard and get some plants going. I'm so ready for it to be like a month from now, and I'm harvesting vegetables and making bread and doing everything I love. This is the patient waiting period. I'm not very good at being patient, but being sober has taught me to work on a lot of patience, and chickens are fighting. I don't know why. It's weird. They all usually get along. But maybe I'll go make some bread today, and hope all of y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll get back to you. Thank you.